Hi, my name's Lynn Lyle, and I have your student in fourth period, which is entrepreneurship. The best way to reach me is through my email, llyell@psdschools.org. I'm going to be sharing the first day PowerPoint I gave to students. So at this point, I've been using Google Slideshows on Pear Deck, and that way, while I'm going through the slideshow, they make comments and I ask questions that they can respond to on the side. I plan to do that twice a week. Monday and Wednesday. Today we talked about supply and demand, and that'll be participation points. There are also going to be some online internet searches about the process of starting and operating a business, as well as some textbook assignments with vocab and worksheets. And then the big project, which will be due the end of the term, is a business plan, and they get to select what they want to do that business plan on. To be successful, really, they need to show up and participate. To be polite and respectful, especially with all the things going online. So far, they've been great, and basically turn in their assignments. So I think probably pretty straightforward. My goal for your student is that they learn something about what it's like to own and operate a business. I've had students who their goal was to own a business until they took the class, and they're like, "Oh, yeah, that's way harder. I don't think I want to be a business owner anymore." So not necessarily a bad thing to know. I think creativity and ability to solve problems is enormous in the business world. And then I hope that they can connect with their classmates and have fun while learning. I know as a parent, I enjoyed back to school night because I always liked seeing what the teacher was like. So if I heard any stories. So this is a slide I shared about me. You can see a picture of me and my husband when I was substantially younger. This is the other picture in the far right is my family. So that's Kelly, Patrick, and Clay. And then some different places I lived. Grew up in Boulder, lived in California and Oregon, and then came back here. And that's where I attended school. And then I also worked in the advertising industry for 14 years before becoming a high school teacher. My focus now as an empty nester is my dog. That's Lily. So I spend a lot of time with Lily and camping. So again, back to the beginning, best way to reach me is through my email. Please don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions, and we'll go from there. So thank you so much. I hope you're having a great day. Bye now.